Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Kraken staking options with risk checks, detailed guide step by step. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Kraken website. Log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Earn tab in the main navigation menu. Click on the Earn tab to access the staking options. In the staking section, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies for staking. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake. On the selected cryptocurrency page, review the staking rewards and terms associated with it. Click on the Stake button to proceed with configuring your staking options. This will bring up a prompt detailing the minimum amount required for staking. Enter the amount you wish to stake in the input field provided. Next, look for the risk management settings. Here, you can set your risk checks based on your preferences. Adjust the parameters to align with your risk tolerance. Once you have configured your risk checks, double-check all details. Confirm that the amount and risk settings are accurate. Click on the Confirm button to finalize your staking setup. After confirmation, you will see an overview of your staking details. Monitor your staking status regularly to track rewards and any changes. If you wish to modify your staking options in the future, return to the staking section. Remember to stay informed about updates regarding the cryptocurrency market and staking options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.